Kashnong Kongthong, Kaway ni Kishnong Hakatayn Kat Archnong, East Kasils District, Kabapawnam Hakariti Disturtenray, Kabajupanon Kam Madkhot Yaki Kerteng Brew, Dakabasiaw Badakabarway, Klasajit Kum Kashnong Kabakasay Tam, Hakaliang Kajaka Jungokai Perthei, Nika Best Tourism Village, Banrung Haka United Nations World Tourism Organization, Yaka Kongthong Lajit Dakatana Tourism Jongka Sorkar Pedang, Harangkat Artili Kui Pat Kishnong, Bakentup Yaka Pochampali, Kabarei na Kajala Telangana, bat Kalatpura Khas, Kabarei na Madhya Pradesh. Kumta, nakalang Kashnong Kongthong, lengba ka Kongthong Village Development Committee, hakas nginang kong kilapanlong ka jingalang pedang sngubhay ketika 6, bagat na tourism jongkari India kalajit, hakabaw MP ka Yindor Bartawan ka Rajya Sabha, u Profesor Rakesh Sinha ulawan kanang, nadu Delhi manlong kum ukongsan. Haka ni kaju kasngi u Rakesh Sinha ulaplipaj baru ya umonong rim, Bante ya kekilon pedang sngubha ya kinongwan jongkai perthei hapo ketika Kashnong. Laidon lang rangkat ru UMLA bat MDC katany ba Gavin Melim bar ba titos tarwal khany ubade ru CEM ka KHADC. Ka jing syajit jong Kashnong Kongthong kum ka jaka jong okai ka bakasay tam hapo ka UNWTO. Kadai lang ba ka jing trishtom jong Rakesh Sinha ubalawan ra hadu khandai sin khandai wat ya Kashnong Kongthong banyatay hapo ka Yindor Bartawan Rajya Sabha. Kabalapan kongu ya baru KMP ban menjur ya Kashnong Kongthong. Haba ajing kran hakani ka jingalang u Rakesh Sinha ulapan pau ka jing sungkuman bat ongru banang ne syakmat unang ya trishitom ban penlong ya Kashnong Kongthong kabanang kongtam haka perthei ban yo ekanam kum Kashnong ka bakasay tam haka kam jongkai perthei ne ka World Best Tourism Village.
I have few words in Khasi. Due to lockdown, nobody was in Delhi, so I couldn't learn Khasi. But now I will find people, and next time after a month when I would come here, I will speak in Khasi. Whatever have been done, whatever would be done, can be summarized in 4 lines. Kongtha ka din ka sunong John Gonga. Kongthong ka long kaba paunam baro kiwai ka parthi. Ki darin Henu swadong ka parthei baj. Kiwa naka ri John Nongi Kakwa Wan Sane Kongthong Tan Sidi Kasnong Kaban Parva. One more thing I promised, and on behalf of Divya Rathore ji sister Kali Lao donate snail sinong chhatri 100 chhatris you donate. By next week you will get 100 chhatri, means every child in this village will get 1 chhatri. One more thing I have in my mind, the income of every household should go up, should be increased. So we will do something for sustainable development, regeneration of income, empowerment of the family. मन का NIA किवा कमाई सनवार सिबनोई. So 5,000 rupees per month income should be of every household by next 6 to 8 months. You know, when I adopted this village, it is not for any other purpose. The only motive is that each and every inch of this land is Bharat Mata. Each and every child, man and woman, is sons and daughters of Bharat Mata. Kongthong may be at the border of India. 3 years ago, Kongthong was not known to the people of Meghalaya. Political leadership administration. Now Kongthong is known not only Meghalaya, India, but entire world. People all over the world looking at you. They want to come Kongthong. So Kongthong is emerging as cultural capital of Meghalaya. Political capital is Shillong and cultural capital is Kongthong. You will not be surprised in future great film stars and actresses would come Kongthong for shooting of films. So our ambition is sky is the limit. Kongthong should emerge in the country as an ideal village, not only in terms of good buildings. People of Kongthong are part of nature. As the nature is natural, so their people are also natural. So I have three more things to say about Kongthong. Good schools, good roads, high income, this is one part. There should not be any litigation between the people. All litigations in Kongthong should end. We will make our social life exemplary to the entire world that Kongthong is free from litigations. No feud between the people. This is second one. Third is very important. You possess some characteristic, distinct characteristic, which world was unknown. Kozhkode village of Turkey was part of intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO, and Kongthong was not known. When I raised this issue in the Rajya Sabha in 2009, early 2019, entire house was in support of my demand. And till this date, I took the name of Kongthong in various sense, in various contexts, 9 times in the Rajya Sabha. No village of India was mentioned in House, in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha since 2000, since last 20 years or 30 years, 9 times. This is the only village which has appeared 9 times either in the form of questions or debates or speeches. So Kongthong is a household name. My connection with Kongthong is not an outsider. I may not purchase land. I don't need to purchase the land because every house is my house. Every woman is my sister. Every Jain is my brother. Every elder is my father and mother. So my relationship is with Kongthong not as a member of parliament but as a social activist, and it will end only after my death. Till my entire life last breath, I am now organically connected with Kongthong.
Baka jingkwa jeng ditaba nalor ka bulale hagan gisman begini. Bakwa banyoi ya kajing penyasa bagi siro ya kini gisman di badan marjan jeng bani gatang begini. Sado mau saman siar ba warba. Mulai itu UMP badan bulan bahagian bagi lamu ubat hangni bagi tunduk begini bagi bilang basman lahaya bagi ko amri benai manusia syaitan prinsip minister batuk ke kepidugi bagi jingkan kan bagi surah bagi kalian di prinsip minister uladan ada bagi ko syaitan indinya bantah serbino yang bagi surah Andre kabalungo kalong bahagia mentah om paksa om kala ban serbi dari surah Pinapapat UMP dan bulan Wingkat Bajilatulang Berkurang Basman Dengan Lepang Wingkat Emily dan bulan Juni Maksudnya bantu Bakani Kajing Serbu Dengan Kesurok Kampung Lama Nama pada Kajing Anggur Jauh Kadma
Lakshak nominate Hagat Hook Jong the best tourism village Haka UNWTO Nakirko Boble Nagingkat Bakinyo Asuzan Ya Pegang Banshaji Ya the best tourism village Berkani Kamang Kabur Kong Dan Nagabenta Dashnang Bajangki Andrei Berkunjung Nagabenta Karihi Barokon